guys, I have a new project for you. This is a super quick cowl or neck warmer. Using 3 different skeins in contrasting tones of the Hue and Me yarn from Lion Brand, and the colors I have are Werewolf, Whisper, and this one is Arrowwood. I've lost the label for it because these are actually extra skeins that I had left over from another project, so I wanted to use them up. Also, you're going to need a 9mm needle, and I'm just using my 8-inch cable here. You're going to need scissors, and we're working in the round, so a stitch marker as well. And let's get started. We're going to cast on 66 stitches. I'm going to use the dark color and a long tail cast on. All right, I've got my cast on here, and I'm just going to join in the round and place a stitch marker. So now for the next few rows, we're going to just knit 1, purl 1. Okay, on the first row with colors, we're going to do a repeat of these 6 stitches, 3 in the gray, 1 in the contrasting, 2 more in the gray. So we're going to continue that all the way around. We're going to start with just 2 gray, and then we're going to do 3 Arrowwood. Easy one. We're just going to do 1 gray and 5 Arrowwood. So I am going to switch my hands here since I'm using the Arrowwood more. And okay, this row we're going to do the exact same pattern, except now we're dropping the gray and we're going to use the darker color, knit 1 and knit 5 Arrowwood. For the next row, since these 2 colors ended way over here, I've just wrapped them over top of the Arrowwood to bring them over. And for this one, we're going to start with 2. So I'm just wrapped that over. 2 dark. And then we're going to start repeating 3 Arrowwood and then 3 dark. Okay, we've come around, so the gray has to travel kind of far up, so I'm going to keep wrapping it over the yarns every now and then just to clean up the inside. And to start with 3 darks and then 1 Arrowwood to keep that diamond. 1, 2. Okay, so you can see that diamond has formed. So now we're going to start the bottom of the next diamond. So knit 1 with the Arrowwood, and then we're going to do 5 of the dark. Two Arrowwoods, and then we're going to do 3 and 3. Oh, jeez. 3 darks and 3 Arrowwoods. 3 Arrowwood. Usually I have this down so I can get that. There we go. 3, 1 dark, make the top of that zigzag, and then we're going to do 5 Arrowwood. So I'm going to switch hands. I'm going to knit 3. Actually, we're doing the exact same. Just exact same as the last row, just with the gray instead of the dark. So, okay, this one here starts with 1, 2, and then we're going to do 3 and 3. Okay, that last row you ended with the Arrowwood. Okay, and then on the final row of this repeat, we're going to do 1 Arrowwood and 5 gray. Okay, so for now, you're just going to repeat those 12 rows to create the zigzags and the diamonds. And that's it. I'll meet you when we get at the top. But it's looking really cool so far. Done my pattern repeat 2 times, and I'm just doing one plain knit row with the dark color again, and then I'm going to start doing the ribbing for the same amount of rows that I did at the beginning of the pattern. Then it's just a simple bind off, cut your ends, weave them in.